Colleagues, I am now inviting
for our collective good. It's indeed a pleasure to see you all here today at this opening segment of the Talanoa dialogue for this May session. And indeed we have worked closely with the incoming presidency of COP24 and our Polish colleagues in the preparation of the Talanoa dialogue, and of course with all parties, the presiding officers, in the preparation, particularly for this May Talanoa sessions. And we've appreciated the constructive, positive spirit in which we have engaged, in particular in this preparatory phase, which will conclude just before we go into COP24 in December of this year in Katowice. And as everyone will recall, COP23 launched the Talanoa dialogue and agreed to its approach, which amongst others allow us to conduct our Talanoa in the spirit of Talanoa as is known in the Pacific, and that it is part of a two-phased process, the preparatory and the political phase. And as you have heard and are fully aware, we are responding to the questions of where are we now, where do we want to go, how do we get there? And this is, of course, all with a view to promoting ambition and addressing efforts on action and support in the pre-2020 period, and that we want to inform the political phase that will be convened with our ministerial participation in the form of roundtables. And this dialogue is running throughout the year. And we are now halfway through the preparatory phase. And this phase has the objective of building a strong foundation for the political phase. And Fiji and Poland have worked closely together and cooperatively since the beginning of this year, and are jointly providing the direction to this process. And we invite all participants and all of those who are engaged in this process to do so in goodwill, with a determination to move forward with efforts to combat climate change and increase ambition. We're also inviting all participants to be bold and to take this unique opportunity, bearing in mind that the next multilateral dialogue on ambition will only happen in 5 years' time at the first global stocktake. And this is an opportunity for us to see how we can work in this preparatory phase and how we can maximize the opportunity that is available for us.